Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best cordless impact wrenches in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cordless impact wrenches that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch IWH18101 Drive Compact Impact Kit. The Bosch IWH18101 is great for contractors that need a sturdy device capable of getting the job done. The set is equipped with everything you need to take on heavy-duty projects that require some serious torque to unlodge stubborn nuts and bolts. The device has an impressive design that helps to make work an easier and more efficient task that you can look forward to. No longer will you have to dread the tedious work of unscrewing difficult bolts. Instead, you'll be able to work longer and smarter with the built-in LED lights and lighter weight. It's a great tool that will keep up with you and is built to last, definitely one of the best investments you can make. Moving on at number 4. We have the Metabo 18 volts impact wrench. Metabo HPT's 18 volts impact wrench has a useful balance of size, weight, and features. The compact head design makes it easier to access tight places, and the 3Ah battery is a compromise between weight and run time. While it doesn't have the torque of its pneumatic counterparts, it does have 3 times the impacts per minute to make up for it. In practice, it accomplishes the normal tasks one would expect. Lug nuts on our F250 Super Duty pickup took about 3 seconds on average to break loose, and then spun off easily using the highest of the 3 speed settings. Using the S mode to tighten them prevented over-torquing. Rusty nuts and bolts on our farm equipment similarly took a couple seconds of impacting to break loose. Due to this wrench's size, we were able to get onto a couple nuts that we couldn't with the larger impact wrenches. We like that the tool is rated IP56, which means it's protected from limited dust ingress and from low-pressure water jets, in any directions. So, a little rain during emergency repair on a roadside or job site isn't going to hurt it. Metabo HPT's 18 volts impact wrench is a capable, versatile tool, suitable for most automotive, HVAC, or general mechanical jobs one could expect to encounter. At number 3, we have the DeWalt Extreme 12 volts max impact wrench. Our testing centered around half-inch drive tools, but the inch DeWalt Extreme 12 volts max turned out to be the little impact driver that could. Built for smaller jobs, the compact tool can get into tight spaces others can't. We had to use a 1 to 1/2 inch adapter to fit the 13/16 inch impact socket we used to remove the lug nuts on an F250 Super Duty pickup. Adapters like this are never ideal when using impact wrenches, as a lot of torque is lost in the connection. However, the Extreme 12 volts max did remove the lug nuts. It took several seconds to break them loose, but it did. Similarly, on the rusty farm implement, it took longer but did do the job. We like the easily accessible speed mode selector on the top of the tool. It's always easy to see what the current setting is and change it. The first setting, precision wrench, helps prevent over-tightening and reduces speed once the nut or bolt breaks free, so it doesn't fly off. We wouldn't recommend the tasks in our test for this tool. It is really intended for smaller nuts and bolts. Things like lawn mower repair, automotive exhaust systems, and mechanical HVAC repair would be ideal uses for this impact wrench. At number 2, we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel High Torque 1/2 impact wrench. High torque models, like the Milwaukee M18 Fuel, are the heavy hitters when it comes to impact wrenches. They're bigger, heavier, and torquier, 1400 FTLB. For the M18 Fuel tested here, all that torque requires a lot of power, so it comes with 2 big 5Ah batteries. Removing lugs nuts on our F250 Super Duty was no challenge for this impact wrench. Torqued to 165 ft-lb, the M18 Fuel barely hesitated breaking them loose. Judging by the amount of battery used in our test, a full day of changing tires should be possible with the 2 batteries. 4 modes, 3 different speeds, and bolt removal mode means it's easy to set the speed, torque for the job. The bolt removal mode is a pleasure to use. It backs off the speed and torque once a nut or bolt breaks loose, so that it doesn't run off the end and go flying. When it came to the rusty old bolts on the farm equipment, the M18 broke them free without much effort, and using the bolt removal mode also helped prevent damage, spinning the nuts off over rusted threads. The M18 High Torque Impact Wrench is an effective tool for seriously big jobs like heavy equipment repair, industrial maintenance and repair applications, or any other job with big, tough nuts and bolts. And finally at number 1. We have the Makita XT08ZLT High Torque Drive Impact Wrench. The Makita XT08ZLT High Torque is a great investment for anyone who needs to do some heavy-duty work and is one of the best of its kind. The device is powered by a strong brushless motor that allows it to work harder than other competitive models while maintaining cooler core temperatures. The motor also proves to be energy efficient and can improve the battery run time by up to 50%. You'll be able to choose from 3 different speed settings that can attain speeds of up to 2,200 revolutions per minute and be able to do some serious work with the power output. The machine can produce up to 740 ft-lbs of maximum torque and up to 11,800 ft-lbs of breakaway torque. This machine is more than capable of handling any challenge you can think to throw at it and is one of the best tools on the market today. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.